Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will fix the network error code 0x800704f8 in Windows 11 24H2. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now type pedit.msc and press Enter. This will open the local group policy editor. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Computer Configuration. Then click on Administrative Templates. After that, click on Network. Now scroll down and click on LAN and Workstation. On the right-hand side, find the option called Enable Insecure Guest Logons. Double-click on it. A new window will open. Now select Enabled, then click on Apply and OK. This step allows your system to connect to shared network devices that use guest access. Now close the Group Policy Editor. Next, again press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. This time type secpol.msc and press Enter. This will open the Local Security Policy window. Now click on Local Policies. Then click on Security Options. On the right-hand side, scroll down and find the option Microsoft Network Client, Digitally Signed Communications, Always. Double-click on it. Now set this option to Disabled, then click on Apply and OK. Next, just below this option, you will find another setting. Microsoft Network Client, Digitally Signed Communications, if server agrees. Double-click on it. Now set this option to Enabled, then click on Apply and OK. These settings help your system properly communicate with network devices and fix authentication issues. Once you have completed all these steps, close everything and restart your computer. After restarting, try accessing your network drive or shared folder again. The error should now be fixed. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.